I captured this fall in a bank nifty today. Let me explain the logic. So price opened 1% of gap down today, and the price goes, and the price was not respected the buyer's area, buyer's trading zone, and price falls down. And after that, the weak buyers tried to push the price up. They got trapped. So the first trade entry was short at trigger at this time 1042, which I posted at this area, shorting bank nifty now at 1042, and the price falls, and the first target was 33,830, this area, and the price is not rejected here. The price falls further down. Again, it was a good fall, and this is a crucial area for where the retail traders will go wrong, because they think that the price is not moving down and the price may fall. Sorry, price is not moving down and it will reverse. Even after this big green candle, they started buying the position, but actually this is not a right place for a buyers to buy. So the retails got trapped, and it was again a huge drastic move. So though it was not reached my expected target of 33,100, again it was a good trade of first target, again 300 points here, and again 3 300 points from this area to this area. So almost I captured a 600 points in a two trades by utilizing a weak buyer's SL. That's it. Thank you.